Hey everybody, Jim King with King Piers out here with our King Piers team in Blue Springs, Missouri. It's only a 3-pier project, but these are going to put in strategic areas. We've got some cracking on the outside and on the brick veneer due to the footing settlement. When they poured this floor originally, folks, the floor was abutting the wall. There's a gap here, which means the footing has slid a little bit. So we're going to come in here right here, and we're going to saw cut the floor. Engineering 101. We'll never do a job without saw cutting the floor before hammering. If you don't saw cut, what you're going to have is you're going to destroy the basement floor with reflective cracking from just hammering without a saw cut. So everything we do is engineering 101. We never want to get paid to tear up someone's basement floor. So we'll come in here and saw cut right here. Follow me in here. This wall goes all the way through this house, from the front to the back. Right here, these wood stairs, we'll take these stairs out of here, and right there will be a King Pier II. And then let's go around the outside here and show where our last one. This back door does not work. They cannot open and they cannot shut that back door properly. So we're going to install a King Pier on the outside there by the patio. Follow me. Alright, so as you can see, this is the door that doesn't open and shut, got gaps in it, crack right there. So we're going to come in here with a King Pier, adjust the footing. That door will open and shut perfectly when we're done, guaranteed. For all your foundation repair needs, we are the only pairing contractor in the USA that guarantees to raise the footing on each and every job we do. Whether it's a building, house, or structure, call us. 816-521-8915. Don't forget about my website, kingpiers.com. Thank you.